Picture this. You've just decided to start investing in 2024. Where do you begin? In today's video, we'll explore a personal investment strategy for this very year. But remember, this is not financial advice. It's simply a strategy based on extensive research and personal experience. The market's best performers often steal the spotlight. Take the Magnificent Seven tech companies, for example. They've been turning heads with their impressive returns. But while investing in these companies might seem appealing, remember that the market's top companies have changed over the years, highlighting the importance of diversification. The stock market is a dynamic entity, and the failure rate of companies is a stark reminder of the risks involved. Focusing solely on recent winners might seem tempting, but it's crucial to consider long-term investment strategies for a more secure financial future. Index funds offer an excellent way to diversify your portfolio. Even Warren Buffett endorses them. These funds have historically performed well compared to actively managed ones, making them an attractive option for many investors. There are various types of index funds, including global and US-focused ones. The historical performance of global markets underscores the cyclical nature of dominance among countries. We'll compare popular index funds and platforms where you can buy them. Your time horizon is a crucial factor in investing. The longer you stay invested, the higher your chances of making a profit. Long-term commitment to your investment strategies is key. Tax-efficient accounts like ISAs and pensions can offer significant benefits. It's vital to maximize tax allowances before considering other investment options. We'll provide resources for understanding different investment account options. Investing won't make you rich overnight. It's more beneficial to focus on improving your day-to-day financial habits and income sources. Think of investing as a tool for long-term wealth accumulation rather than a quick fix. In conclusion, remember that diversification is crucial. Index funds can be a valuable tool, but it's important to understand different types and their performance. Your time horizon matters, and choosing the right investment account can make a significant difference. Investing is not a shortcut to wealth, but a tool for long-term financial stability. Embarking on your financial journey in 2024 is commendable. May your investments flourish and your wealth grow. Until next time, stay financially savvy.